Hey guys, it's Becky from thecookierookie.com and I'm so excited to be making our very favorite garlic bread today. This is not your ordinary garlic bread. It's extra special, extra buttery, trust me. We're gonna load this sucker up with butter. So we're gonna make a special garlic butter that's not just stirred together, we're gonna actually infuse the garlic into the butter, and that is one of the main pieces to this puzzle that makes things extra special and extra delicious. Okay, we're gonna start with the most important part, the garlic infused butter. Just gonna heat a small saucepan over medium-high heat, and we're gonna add 1 cup of butter for 1 loaf of bread. So you can tell where this is going. It should melt really quickly, especially if your butter is already room temperature. We don't want to keep it on this high heat for very long, but we do want to melt the butter down. I'm gonna actually decrease the heat a little bit so we don't burn the butter while it melts. So now our butter is almost all the way melted, so we're gonna add the garlic and add the red pepper. We don't want to have it in there the whole time because we don't want the garlic to burn, but we do want it in long enough for it to infuse into the butter. Give that a stir, and once we've got a boil going and reduce the heat to low, we're going to actually remove it from the heat completely. So just take the hot butter, be very careful, and strain it through a mesh strainer. Since the butter is already infused with the garlic, you don't need the full chunky garlic or the red peppers. It'll make the bread just that much smoother. After it's strained, we're gonna add some freshly chopped parsley to the butter. And now that we've stirred in our parsley, we're ready to brush it onto the bread. We'll get started on our bread. We're gonna cut the sides off just a little bit so that it will sit totally flat once it's sliced. We're just gonna cut straight down the middle, and these are our 2 loaves of garlic bread. Awesome, ready to go. Put them on a foil-lined baking sheet because things could get messy, and we're good to add our butter. I usually end up actually pouring it on because we're gonna use about half of the butter per loaf. You want to reserve a little bit as a dipping sauce. It's not easy on the waistline, but it's worth it. We want the butter to melt down almost halfway through the bread, and you'll see it after it's baked, but it makes every bite so indulgent and delicious. Once we've sufficiently drowned the bread in butter, we're gonna add a little bit of sea salt. Just sprinkle to your liking. A little goes a long way with this, and we are ready. All right, our buttered bread is in the oven, and after it cooks for 10 minutes at 350, I'm gonna bring it back, sprinkle with a little Parmesan cheese. Every garlic bread needs some cheese. And then broil for just a couple minutes. You wanna watch it really closely to make sure it doesn't burn. It is perfect. Time to enjoy the best ever buttery garlic bread. Head over to thecookierookie.com for the full details.